What do the brakes on a fast train have to do with a car engine, or the gears on a mountain bike? Well, we expect all these things to work perfectly, even under extreme conditions, and give us many years of use. This calls for not just the best quality materials, but also high precision and expertise in the manufacture of every single part. Components must be ideally adapted to each other and be joined together with a secure connection. It's the fasteners for these connections that we are the experts for and have been for over 50 years now. Here in Füssen, in the idyllic Allgäu area of Bavaria, we develop and manufacture machinery to make these connections. Our Odrima automatic lathes are used by customers all over the world to manufacture large quantities of connection elements precisely, flexibly, and fast. Whether we're talking about nuts and bolts, electrical contacts, or valve seats for high-performance engines, the individual applications for these fasteners are as specific and varied as the sectors we work for. Our customers need high-quality machines which they can rely on for many decades to come. We deliver complete systems and perfectly coordinated manufacturing processes, from the design stage right up to tooling. Every Odrima automatic lathe is fully equipped and ready for use before it leaves our factory. Our team of experts advises our customers from their very first inquiry. We then develop the customer's tailor-made Odrima automatic lathe using the very latest design technology. Even after delivery, of course, we are always there to assist. We accompany the customer during the production process and when retooling for other turn parts, as well as when implementing new projects. We're masters of traditional metal craftsmanship as well as of modern manufacturing machinery. Computer-aided manufacturing enables us to simulate the metal cutting process for components based on virtual 3D models, which our machining centers then benefit from. This not only saves time, but reduces potential sources of error. It results in shorter processing times and higher quality. We also help our customers by request through remotely accessing their machine controls all over the world from our own factory to recognize faults and find a quick solution, whether by interactive remote maintenance or express delivery of a spare part. After all, we want our automatic lathes to produce reliably for our customers around the clock, component for component, hour after hour. Sustainability and efficiency are important to us in every part of our company. Short, regional supply chains and the complete manufacturing process under one roof guarantee our customers the best quality, fast reaction times, and long-lasting use of their automatic lathes. Our focus here is on long-term cooperation with reputable suppliers and partners in our region. Our recipe for success is a combination of our motivated, highly skilled employees, trusting cooperation with our customers and partner companies, and ongoing investment in our innovative capability. This motivates us to work passionately every day to further develop our machines. Our most important goal is to achieve greater precision and flexibility and become even faster. It's probably due to our Bavarian mentality, which has shaped our corporate culture over many decades, that we place great emphasis on quality, sustainability, efficiency, and on our vision to create secure connections globally with our machines.